Hello and welcome once again to Island Block. Now, today we'll be having a very unique video, something we have not done before, we've not done yet, and it's an unboxing video. Now, a company from Taiwan, SecuX, sent us this package, which, honestly speaking, I've been itching to unbox like since, but I haven't done that yet, still perfectly sealed. And it's an NFT hardware wallet, the first of its kind actually. It's something that doesn't exist yet. So as we speak, until this came on the scene, there is no such thing as an NFT hardware wallet. So this is where I finally unbox this. So join me. All right, so now we begin to unbox this package. Yep, finally we are doing this. Okay, yep, something else. And now we have this very normal looking box. So time to open it. So now we have our package. So this is just shipping protection. Makes sense. So here we have this SecuX nifty NFT hardware wallet. Fancy. So now time to finally unbox this. But now, one thing you should note, which I mentioned earlier on, is that this is the world's first NFT hardware wallet. And if you check their website, let me just take you there. So from their website, you can see that this is the world's first NFT hardware wallet, and it looks really fine. So we'll unbox that real quick. And well, I think I love how the website looks. Looks really good. And if you would like to order one, you just click on buy now, and it just takes you to where you can place your order. So each one costs $199, which is the cost of the package. That's aside shipping cost. Now, I would recommend that if you would want to order one of these, you should buy directly from the company, because it's a hardware wallet, it's a crypto wallet, and I would not recommend you buy from a third party because it could be compromised and you wouldn't even know. There's a way people are able to buy stuff and seal it and resell it, and you won't even know that the private key, has been recorded by someone else. And so I would recommend you buy directly from their website. Now, if you'd love to buy one of these, you can just use the link in the description below. That's our link, and you get 15% off. So you get this. It takes you straight to the website. You're able to order one at 15% off, and I think it looks very good. So let's continue with the unboxing real quick. All right, so now we have our package. So I'll just open this real quick. Once you want to open the box, the seal that was used to close the box from the very beginning, once it has been opened before, it shows that it is now void, and you need to be very sure of that. Because one major reason why you need to be very extra careful is this is a hardware wallet, like every other hardware wallet, and if your mnemonic phrase or your private key is compromised, anything you store on that wallet can be removed instantaneously. Now, SecuX has said that this has military-grade security. Perfect. But I promise you, if someone has access to your private key or your mnemonic phrase, they could literally empty your wallet in seconds. So that is why you need to be very careful from who you order this, how you get it, and also check if it has been compromised at all. So now moving forward. So from this, we are being told that once you check the package, we have NFT wallet, we have an aluminum seed, recovery sheet, and a USB charging cable. So we'll check that out real quick. Nice. Trade safe, store smart. So yeah, okay, I think this is where we have the aluminium sheet. Just open that up. This is good. So here we have our recovery sheets. So these are just sheets where you write down your recovery phrase. Now I explain why this is very important. And then we also have the aluminium sheet, just one aluminium sheet. So now, what is this for? Now let's say you want to write down your recovery seed phrase, because different people have different ways they store their recovery seed phrase. So you want to write it down on this sheet and maybe store it in a book and store it somewhere safe, maybe under your bed or something. Now you could use these sheets. So you could write it down here, store it somewhere far away, and also write it down here and store it separately as well. Now this would help you to be able to recover your wallet and what is inside in case or in the event that you lose this. Now this is also very, very helpful to the aluminium one. Now why this exists is because in case you store this somewhere and it gets wet or it gets burnt, maybe fire or something, now that would not happen to this particular one. So with this aluminium storage, that's the seed phrase writer something. So once you write your seed phrase here, no matter what happens, you can always access your seed phrase. So there's two of these and just one of these. And then we have our Type-C cable. So now this is for charging the device. So you can always charge your device and make sure it is fully charged. Oh, this is like a 1 meter cable. And yep, that's about it. So that's everything we have in our box. So now moving on to the device and turning it on. So here we have welcome. So here we have trade safe and store smart, which I really like. So step one, you write down your 24 recovery words on your recovery sheet. So like I said, you can write it down here, store it somewhere, also write it down here, store it somewhere else, and then the aluminium sheet, which is way more better and will last longer for security, depending on how you store it though. So it's more secure and you are sure that nothing would happen to this. And step two, you keep your recovery sheet and aluminium seed in a safe place away from potential risks. And like I mentioned earlier on, you don't keep this imagine writing down your seed phrase and just like keep it in your parlor or something. That is highly not recommended. So I know that Nifty told us that this particular hardware wallet has military grade security, but all it takes to wipe your wallet is your seed phrase written on this and not properly stored. Now moving forward, step two is you keep your recovery sheet and aluminium seed in a safe place away from potential risks. Now potential risks also involve people having access to it so they don't empty it or initiate an instance of your wallet somewhere else and have access to all your NFTs. So getting started, in the package we have our hardware wallet, the aluminium seed, recovery sheets too, and our 1 meter USB cable for charging. So next thing you need to do is you need to connect your wallet to a power source with a USB cable and charge your SecuX wallet for at least 2 hours. Now step 3 is to download the app. So all you need to do to download the app is to scan the QR code. You immediately get redirected to the store, you download the app, and then step 4, you set up the wallets and manage your NFTs, and that's basically it. So now we'll move on to setting up your wallets. So I'll also show you what the app looks like and the QR code, with my device, and I get directed to where I will download the app. Now I already have the app installed, so all I need to do is just click on open, and there you have it. Love it, own it. So the next step will be for me to select my recovery word in the correct order. So I just created my seed phrase, so next I have to confirm it. So I have to select each of those words. Now this is the proper backup mechanism, so they are sure you have your seed phrase properly written down So in the event that you lose your hardware wallet or you lose access to this device, you can still recover your funds and your NFTs. So I'll just proceed to clicking the right words. So now I have just created my wallet. So here I can click on my favorite, which obviously is empty because there's nothing in the wallet currently. Or receive if I want to receive, or settings. Now, one thing I also did notice for most people that might be asking is, for now you can only receive Ethereum NFTs, which made me really, really sad. So at the moment you can't store Solana NFTs here, or you can't store, any other blockchain's NFTs. For now it's just Ethereum NFTs. So there's that. So you just need to take note. So before you acquire the wallet, let's say you want to acquire it to store your Solana NFTs, do note that at the moment you cannot store Solana NFTs. And I believe it's possible in future updates they can, allow you to store Solana NFTs, but at the moment you can only receive into your Ethereum wallet. So now let's just sync this with my device. So I just click next on my device and I click connect device. So now I tell him to check the box content. So yep, next, allow. So now I'm trying to find my SecuX wallet. So it's searching for it. So now the update is complete. So I click done and click my password, which I still remember. And next. So I'm going to have to pair my device again. Beautiful. Now it's connected successfully. So I explore my Nifty. And there you have it, my gallery, which is currently empty. Now in another video, I'll show you how you can buy, sell, receive NFTs on this particular wallet. And the best part is you can also store crypto on the wallet as well. So in as much as it is the world's first NFT hardware wallet, but you can also store some of your ETH, BNB, Polygon, which is Matic, and I think this is all we can store for now, just these three cryptos. So you can store this, Ethereum, something from the Binance Smart Chain, and your Polygon Matic chain. So this is what we have for now. Now, subsequently, as updates are released and more tokens or networks are supported, I'll let you know. So you can store your NFTs, which for now is just Ethereum NFTs, and you can also store some crypto as well. So later on, I'll show you how to explore the marketplace, how to buy directly on your phone and see the NFTs stored here in your gallery on the app, so you get to see your NFTs in real time in your hardware wallet. Now also, in another video, I would compare this nifty SecuX wallet to the SafePower wallet, which I'm sure a majority of us are well aware of, and then I'll show you the difference between the SafePower hardware wallet and the nifty wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Do have